Hey guys, I wanted to go over putting in a annunciator for a firelight. It's one I did the other day. It's a ES200X. So this is the annunciator bus right here. So it has A, B, ARTN, B, RTN. There's your colors for it. And the old one had 24 volts power too. So now the 80F will not work with this system. So if you put in one of these systems or you're replacing it, you have to put in a new annunciator. Make sure to order one whenever you get it. So you can see there's a lock right here. So if you ever take one of these off the wall, you have to unlock it first before this door will open up. Just so you don't start prying on it and break it. So the first one that you're going to address would be dip switch 1. Will be to the on position. Like you can see right here, it comes all 0, so that's invalid. Dip switch 1 is 1 down, so if you put a second annunciator, it'd be 2 down. You put a third, it'd be 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. And then the wiring for it, that would be these terminals right here. And it shows where the B, where the A is, and then positive and negative. So pretty simple and straightforward. Please like and subscribe, and any comments are welcome. Thank you.